Not a whole lot to this project. It's just basically a craftsman piece or a mission style piece. The angles, for those of you who didn't catch it, are 7 degrees, and so aren't the notches. I don't know any people who would use this as a sitting bench, so it's more of an ornamental bench. I built it out of African teak, which they call poor man's teak, which I don't get because I think it looks great. It works great. It is easy to cut, doesn't burn, and it's easy to sand. It's light. I think this is great species of wood if you don't want to use traditional teak. And I'm eager to see what this will look like over time. I only put teak oil on it just to color it up for the video, but I hope this grays up. Anyone out there knows what happens to this type of teak, let me know in the comment section below, but I really like the look of it. You could also build this out of white oak, but that just seems like it'd be too heavy for a project like this. It's meant to be light, and frankly, it's only meant to be ornamental, like I mentioned before. Anyway, this is a real fun project. I hope you try to build one, and I'll see you next time.